Tired of videos popping into picture-in-picture without your permission? One minute you're reading an article. The next minute, a video shrinks down and follows you around the screen. It's disruptive, it's annoying, and honestly, it should be up to you when that happens. Here's how to force every site to ask first. We'll dive into Chrome's site settings and flip one simple toggle. Follow these steps, and you'll never be ambushed by automatic picture-in-picture again. So make sure you have Google Chrome open. That's your starting point. If it's not already running, just launch it like you normally would. Now, navigate to any website. It doesn't really matter which one. Pick a site you visit often, or just go to any page at all. The key here is that we're going to change the settings for this specific site first. Look at the very beginning of the address bar, right before the URL. See that little icon? It might be a lock, or an eye in a circle, or sometimes a little page icon. Click on that. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you want to click on Site Settings. Go ahead and do that now. This opens up a whole new panel of permissions just for this website. Now, scroll down a bit. You're looking for a section that says More Settings and Permissions. Click on that to expand it. All right, here's where the magic happens. Scroll through this list until you find the option that says Automatic Picture-in-Picture. It might take a second to spot it, but it's in there. It's the permission that controls exactly what's been driving you crazy. And here's the really important part. Right now, that permission is probably set to Allow or maybe Block. We want something different. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the list of options, choose Ask. That's it. Now, instead of a video just taking over, the site will have to prompt you. You'll get a little pop-up asking if it's okay to enter picture-in-picture mode. You get to decide, every single time. No more surprise interruptions. So now that we've got that set up for this one site, let's test it. Play a video on that page. You should see a small prompt appear at the top or bottom of your screen asking for permission. Click Allow to test it, or Block to see that it actually respects your choice. It works. Now, you probably don't want to have to do this for every single website you ever visit, right? That would take forever. So let me show you how to set this as the default for all sites. Go back to that same site settings panel we were just in. At the very top of that panel, you'll see a drop-down that says, This site can, or something similar. Click it. You can then choose to apply this setting to all sites by adjusting the default behavior. It's a little easier to find in Chrome's main settings. Just click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Scroll down to Additional Permissions, click on Picture-in-Picture, and then change the default behavior to Ask. Now, every new site you visit will have to ask you before it can go into picture-in-picture mode. And that's it. You are now in full control. No more wrestling with videos that refuse to stay put. You've gone from being annoyed by automatic picture-in-picture to having the power to choose when you want it. Thanks for following along, and enjoy browsing without the interruptions.